Welcome back, children of grade 8, for our day 4 session of reading and writing class. Before getting into today's session of reading and writing class, let's see today's value. That is, reading is the finest teacher of how to write. So, children, when you start to read, definitely it will teach you how to write. Don't miss this golden opportunity, children, to improve your reading along with writing from our reading writing session.
Children, let's start. Take your textbook Honeydew, page number
10 and 11.
chapter 1. The title of the chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World.
Children, are you ready? Shall we start? Yes. Keep your fingers and follow me. Read along with me also. So far in the last class, we have completed the letter written by Macpherson. So let's read the letter and the continuation here. So look at the first line of this paragraph. O-N-E, one, O-F of, T-H-E, the, one of the, G-E-R-M-A-N-S, Germans, G-R-M-A-N-S, Germans, G-R-M-A-N-S, men's, Germans, W-A-S was waving, W-A-V-I-N-G, waving, waving a bottle, B-O-T-T-L-E, bought, B-O-T, bought, T-L-E, till, bottle, above, A-B-O-V-E, above, H-I-S, his head. So let's read the line. One of the Germans was waving a bottle above his head. Let's read the second sentence here. I-T, it, I-S, is, C-H-R-I-S, T-M-A-S, Christ, mess, Christ, C-H-R-I-S-T, Christ, M-A-S, mess, Christmas, D-A-Y, day, T-O-M-M-Y, Tommy, T-O-M-M-Y, Tommy. So read this sentence, children. It is Christmas Day, Tommy. Yes. We have, W-E-V-H-A-V-E, have, we have, S-C-H-N-A-P-P-S, snaps. Snaps means it should be pronounced as snap, a German drink made from grain. So schnapps means a German drink made by grain, snaps. We have sausage. We have sausage, S-A-U-S-A-G-E. What is this, children? Sausage, sausage. So we have snaps and we have sausage. We meet, M-E-E-T, we meet you, Y-E-S, yes. We meet you, yes. By this time, T-I-M-E, time, T-H-E-R-E, there, where, W-E-R-E, where, dozens, dozens, D-O-Z-E-N-S, dozens, D-O-Z-E-N-S, dozens, O-F, of, T-H-E-M, them, W-A-L-K-I-N-G. What is this word, children? Walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Two words, two, T-O-2, W-A-R-D-S, words, two words. Towards, as, across, across, A is a, C-R-O-S-S, cross, across. No man's land, no man's land, L-A-N-D, land, A-N-D, and, N-O-T, not, R-I-F-L-E. What is this, children? R-I-F-L-E. How to pronounce this word? Rifle, R-I-F-L-E, full, rifle. B-E-T, bit, W-E-E-N, ween, between. How to pronounce this word, children? Between. T-H-E-M, them, T-H-E-M, them. So let's read this line, children. By this time, there were dozens of them walking towards as across no man's land and not a rifle between them. Yes. So let's read the next sentence here. Little. What is this, children? Lit till. Lit lit. Tle till. Little. Private. Pri pri. Vate wait. Private. Little private. Morris. Morris. Little private Morris was the first up. First up. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting? Waiting. Waiting for. What are we waiting for? And then, then, and then there was no stopping them. Stop, stop, pind, ping, stopping them. What are we waiting for? And then there was no stopping them. Yes, I was the officer. 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 I was the officer. I should. 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 I should. HAVE. Have. I should have. STOPPED. What is this, children? Stopped. STOPING. Stopping. STOPPED. 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 THEM. Them. THERE. There. And THEN. Then. I suppose. SUP. Sup. POSE. 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 Yes. Suppose. BUT. But. THE. The. TRUTH. What is this TRUTH? Truth. Truth is that it NEVER. Never. EVEN. Even. Occur. 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 Uck. Split this word, children. OC. Uck. CUR. Cur. RED. Rid. Occurred. Occurred. To me. I should. So let's read this sentence, children, from the beginning. Yes. I was the officer. I should have stopped them there and then, I suppose, but the truth is that I never even occurred to me I should. Yes. Let's continue reading. ALL. All. ALONG. Along. All along. THEIR. What is this, children? THEIR. How to pronounce this word? There. LINE. Line. And AND. And OURS. Ours. How to pronounce this word, children? OURS. Ours. Don't pronounce it as ours. It is ours. Ours. ICOULD. Could. SEEC. MEN. Men. WALKING. Walking. SLOWLY. Slow. LY. Lee. SLOW. Slow. LY. Lee. Slowly. Two words. TO2. WARDS. Two words. One. 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 ANOTHER. Another. No. The. A should be pronounced as NO. No. THER. There. Another. GREY. Grey. COATS. Coats. KHAKI. Ka. KHA. Ka. KI. Key. Khaki. What is this, children? Khaki. What does mean by khaki? It is the color of the coat. Khaki. Khaki coats. 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 Khaki coats. MEETING. Meet. Ing. MEET. Meet. ING. Ing. Meeting. In the. Mid. 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 DLE. Dill. What is this word? Middle. Yes, you are correct, children. Middle. Yes. Shall we read the sentence? Yes. All along their line and ours, I could see men walking slowly towards one another. Grey coats and khaki coats meeting in the middle. Yes. And I was one of them. And I was one of them. I was part of this. I was PART part of this. I was part of this in the middle. MIDDLE middle. In the middle of the war. We were. WERE were. How to pronounce this, children? Were. We were making peace. MAKING making peace. PEACE peace. Children, in the next paragraph, here we are going to read YOU CAN NOT not cannot IMA I should be pronounced as E. So always, children, A should be pronounced as A, I should be pronounced as E. So see here, EMA GINE gin, imagine. So how to pronounce this word, children? IMAGINE imagine. Imagine. You cannot imagine. DEAREST. What is that? Dearest. 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 Dear. 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 EST. Dearest. Dearest. CONNIE. CONNIE. What is this? Connie. Dearest Connie. Connie is the name of the character, the lady, wife of Jim Macpherson. Okay, so dearest Connie. My feelings. FEEL. Feel. INGS. Feelings. Feelings. Feelings as I LOOK. Look. Id. Looked. I looked into the eyes. EYES. Eyes of the Fritz. 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 Fritz is the name of a character. Officer. OF. Of. FIFE. CER. Sir. How to split the word, children? OF. Of. FIFE. CER. Sir. Officer. Officer. Fritz. Officer. WHO. Who. AP. Up. Split this word, children. AP. Up. PROACH. Approach. ED. Id. Approached. Approached. Me. Me. HAND. Hand. OUT. Out. STRETCH. Stretch. ED. Id. Outstretched. Outstretched. Children, shall we read this sentence? Yes. You cannot imagine, dearest Connie, my feelings as I looked into the eyes of the Fritz officer who approached me, hand outstretched. Hand outstretched. Outstretched. Hand outstretched. Next, let's read the next sentence. HANS. Hands. Hands. WOLF. Wolf. How to pronounce this word, children? Hans Wolf. Hans Wolf. He said. Hans Wolf, he said. GRIP. 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 PING. Ping. Gripping. Gripping. My. 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 HAND. Hand. Gripping my hand. WARMMLY. Warmly. WARM. Warm. LY. Lee. Warmly. And AND. And HOLDING. Holding. Hold. 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 ING. Ing. Holding. Holding it. Let's read this sentence, children. Hans Wolf, he said. Hans Wolf, he said, gripping my hand warmly and holding it. Yes. Let's read the last sentence. I am from 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 Dusseldorf. DUS SEL DORF Dorf. Dusseldorf. Dusseldorf is a place. I am from Dusseldorf. I play play. I play the cello in the orchestra. Cello is an instrument in the orchestra. OR CHES chest. CHEST chest. RA. I'll repeat. OR CHEST chest. R-A, orchestra. It should be pronounced as orchestra, but while we are reading the pronunciation, it comes as orchestra, but we have to pronounce it as orchestra. Okay, children? Yes, let's read the sentence. I am from Dusseldorf. I play the cello in the orchestra. Happy Christmas. Happy, happy, Christ, Christ, Mas. Happy Christmas.
Children, that's all from the today's reading part. Let's move on to the writing part.
Children, take your pen. Follow the same cursive pattern in your handwriting. Follow me, children. I'm going to write today's date. Let's write today's date, children. Seven, 9, 20. 7, 9, 20. And the day, session, it's day 4. Session, day 4. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Writing. Writing. Page number 10. Page number 10. Children, shall we start right? Yes. See the sentence here. One of the, see how I am writing G, children. Germans, Germans, Germans. Was waving a bottle above his head. Full stop. IT. It. It is a CHRISTMAS Christmas DAY day, Christmas day, comma, T O M M Y, Tommy, full stop. We have, yes, CH NAP Yes, snaps. We have snaps. We have SAUSAGE, sausage. VMEET, we meet. We meet you. YES, we meet you. S. BY, by. By this. By this time. There. Where. Dozens of them. Walking. WALKING, walking. TO2, WARDS, towards. As, towards as. ACROSS, across. No man's, apostrophe, no man's land. LAND, land, no man's land. And not a rifle, not a rifle. Between them, full stop. Then next line. A little. PRIVATE, private. Morris. Morris was the first up. The first up. Full stop. COME, come. Come on. BOYS, boys. Come on, boys. What are we what are we waiting FOR, what are you waiting for? And see how I am writing and A. First you have to start here. Okay children, this is the way you need to write cursive A. Please practice it. I'll repeat. Okay children, and L, look at the cursive L. L, P, B. Okay children, A you have to write like this, L you have to write like this, P you have to write like this, and B you have to write like this. Okay children, yes, let's continue. N, THEN, then, and then there was no STOPPING, stopping, no stopping them. Okay children, we are going to complete today's writing part here, and please complete the passages, write neatly in your handwriting note, follow the same cursive, and keep on remembering these tips also. Follow this. Thank you. That's all from the today's handwriting part. Children, before winding up the session, let's recall the value again. Reading is the finest teacher of how to write. So, keep on practicing your reading and writing skill to develop yourself, children.